कैसे हो व्यूअर्स? वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोहित मथारू ब्लॉग्स। आज हम आए हैं बैंड्रा टू विटनेस वन ऑफ द एशियाज बिगेस्ट एंड प्रेस्टिजियस क्लासिक कार रैली इवेंट. Yes, you have guessed it right. It's the MBCCR, the Mercedes-Benz Classic Car Rally. So yes, today we would be seeing some of the rare of the rarest cars, produced in the years of 1930s in the time of World War II, restored and brought back to their original life. And to name few, there would be Carriottes, 300 series, the K series K300 cars. So basically K series is a technology used during the years of 1930s known as the compressor technology. Those were the supercharged cars, to fulfill the demands of customers who wanted to have a sports car with a luxury feeling, a powerful sports car with a luxury feeling. So yes, the rally is about to start, and stay tuned to the channel to witness the 1930s and 50s era running on wheels of Bandra today. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So viewers, hope you guys enjoyed watching the Mercedes-Benz Classic Car Rally 2022. Do like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. मिलते हैं अगली बढ़िया सी वीडियो पे. Till then, bye bye, take care.